Claude Agent SDK. Create different AI agents and solve complex tasks. Claude released Agents SDK to interact with Claude Code. Claude Code is one of the most advanced CLI tool which can build features from descriptions, debug and fix issues, navigate any code base, automate tedious tasks. But now you can integrate Claude Code within your own application using Claude Agent SDK. And I'm going to take you through step by step how to make your AI application Claude powered, create a basic agent, agent with internal tools, agent with custom tools, and Claude Code options. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. First step, open terminal from your computer. There you're going to install Claude Code using this command. I will put all the code and the commands in the description below. So after this, click enter. That'll install the basic Claude Code. Next, pip install Claude Agent SDK and then click enter. That is the main Claude Agent SDK package which is used to interact with Claude Code. Next, just type export Anthropic API key equals, and you can generate this API key from platform.claude.com. There you can see API keys here. Paste the API key here and then click enter. Next, create a file called app.py and let's open it. First, we are going to create a basic agent. First step, import async IO. Then from Claude Agent SDK, import query. Next, async def main. That is the main function. There you're asking this question, hello, how are you? And then printing the message like this. So this is like a loop which is going to keep on printing as and when it receives a response from the agent. So we can take this query function as the main agent. And finally, we are initiating the function by calling async io.run main, and that's it. So literally this much amount of code, and we have successfully integrated Claude Agent SDK into our Python application. Now I'm going to run this code. In your terminal, python app.py and then click enter. Now first you can see the system message with all these tools / commands. Then if you see assistant message. So here is the response. Hello, I'm doing well, thank you. How can I help you today? So that is the response from the agent. So here's the final overall output. How much input tokens, how much output tokens, and other information. Total cost is here. So that is the basic agent. Now we are going to get one step further. Step number 2, using internal tools. So here I'm slightly changing the prompt. Create a file called greeting.txt with hello Mervyn Prayson as the content. So just a basic example for beginners. So here I'm importing an extra function, Claude Agent option. So I'm going to add that option here. Options, Claude Agent options. So I'm allowing two different tools, read, write tools. Permission mode, accept edits, which means it can edit this greeting.txt file. And I need to add that in this location, query function. So as I mentioned before, this is like one agent. So you're adding that options here. This is how you use the internal available tools such as read and write and adding permission. That's it. We have successfully added an internal tool. Now I'm going to run this code. Python and the file.py and then click enter. So first is the system message. That's by default gets added. I'm using Claude Sonnet 4.5 and it's trying to use the tool call, a write tool call, and the file path is this. The content is this, hello Mervyn Prayson. It's using a bash command to write that. Created greetings.txt with hello Mervyn Prayson as the message. So now let's verify that. So here is greetings.txt with hello Mervyn Prayson as the message. That is really nice. Next, let's take one step further with creating a custom tool. Step number 3, creating custom tools. To add a custom tool, you need to set it up as MCP server. So in the options, I'm going to define a tool, which I'm going to create. It's called MCP tools greet, and also assigning a server. So here I'm importing extra tool and create SDK MCP server. So two different additional functions I'm importing. So here I'm going to add tools. So here is a custom tool. I'm giving a name. The name of the tool is greet. The description is greet a user. When provided with the name, automatically responds saying hello with the name. That's it, a small function. So you can integrate this with any of your API or your custom tools. So next I need to set up the MCP server. So create SDK MCP server, naming it as my tools, version number, and passing this greet function here, greet. That's it. So literally I've added this much amount of code and assign that server here to MCP server in the options and allowing this MCP tools greet. So that is the greet tool here. That's it. Now I'm asking the agent, that is the query, saying that greet Mervyn Praisen. So overall, this much is the code, 31 lines. Now I'm going to run this code. In your terminal, Python custom tools.py. As before, it's starting with system message, assistant message. It's using the tool call. And finally, here is the response. Hello, Mervyn Praisen. So that's exactly the response from the tool which we created. Hello with the Mervyn Praisen name. Finally, Claude options. So here's the additional options which I want to show you. System prompt. You are an expert Python developer. Permission mode. Accept edits. CWD. That is the path where I want to save my file. Then I'm saying create a Python web server, passing this options and print message. That's it. Just literally this much, but some additional Claude agent options. Even in Claude docs, you can see all the available options for Claude agent. So here you can see all the available options. So among that, I'm using just 3 to create a Python web server. So it's going to write a code in Python to create a web server. So now I'm going to run this code. Python, the file name, py, and then click enter. Now the first step, I'll create a simple Python web server for you. Next is writing the code in a temporary location server.py. So here it says file created successfully server.py. And you can see the code here, a custom server, and that is really nice. Why this beats other agentic framework is because Claude Code by itself is powerful and it's completely autonomous, configurable, and extendable. Adding the power of Claude Code as an agentic system makes it unique to others. That's just a beginner's guide. Furthermore, I'm planning to create a few more videos in regards to Claude Agents SDK, so stay tuned. Considering you already like Claude Agents SDK, I also created OpenAI Agents SDK, which I'll put the link in here, and I highly recommend for you to watch, and I will see you there.